In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this intro animation in PowerPoint. Before starting this tutorial, I want to remind you I created another intro animation in PowerPoint. If you haven't seen the tutorial yet, you can watch it after watching this tutorial. Okay, let's start this tutorial. At first, take a blank slide and change the background color. Then take a text and change it as you wish. I am changing according to my needs. After that, take a rectangle shape and drag it over the text. Change its outline color white, fill color no color, and outline white 4.5 point. Then change its align center and align middle. Now we need to take another rectangle shape. Drag it in here and change its color like the background color. Then duplicate this text by pressing Ctrl+D and change it as you wish. I am changing according to my needs. Okay, our designing part is complete. Let's start the animation part. Zoom in the slide by clicking here. Then take a rectangle shape and drag it in here. Change its height and width 0.1 inch. Then go to animation and apply the custom path animation. Hold down the shift key while creating the custom path because the custom path is to be straight. This animation will start with previous and change its duration 3 seconds. After that, duplicate this rectangle shape 9 more copy by pressing Ctrl+D. I am increasing their delays 0.01 second consistently. Then select all this rectangle shape and change their alignment. Align left and align top. Let's see the animation how looks. Perfect. Now we need to duplicate all this rectangle shape again. Place their animation before just one animation and place their animation again after the last animation. I am doing it because to maintain the delay sequence of the animations. Repeat this step 5 or 6 times. After doing this, let's preview the animation. Wow, great! We have to repeat this step one more time. Let's preview the animation again. Perfect. We can preview the animation by changing the rectangle shape color. Okay, it's time to animate the text. Select the text and apply the lines animation. and change the direction left and path will be reverse. This lines animation will start with previous. We have to apply the appear animation also. This appear animation also starts with previous. Then select another text and apply the appear animation and lines animation. Change the direction up and path will be reverse. Then take a rectangle shape and drag it in here and apply the appear animation. After that, select these three animations and this animation will start with previous. Increase little bit delay. Change its color like the background color. Then duplicate this text and apply the appear animation. This animation will start with previous. Apply the disappear animation on the previous text, which is placed in the background. Okay, our animation is almost ready. Now we need to take a rectangle shape and drag it over here. Apply the disappear animation on it and it will be start with previous and keep it after the first lines animation. Let's see the preview. Now duplicate this slide and delete extra element. Then group all of these elements by pressing Ctrl+G. Apply the grow or shrink animation. Select start with previous. Go to animation effect and increase its size 120% and increase the smooth int duration and change its duration 0.25 seconds. Finally, we complete to create this intro animation in PowerPoint. Let's see the preview of this animation how looks. I hope this video will help you. If you also think that, please hit the like button and comment on how you like the video and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.